Here's how to link gov.uk ID Check app on phone. First, open the gov.uk app. Once you open the app, you'll see the welcome screen. Tap Continue, and then tap Continue again to proceed. This will take you to the gov.uk website, where you'll see an option called Link this app to gov.uk. This creates a connection between the app and the website, so the system can confirm that the same person is using both. Select Link App to continue. Next, you'll be asked whether you started using the app on a computer or tablet. If you did, select Yes, I started on a computer or tablet, and then tap Continue. The app will now explain that you're connected using a QR code. Have your computer or tablet ready with the gov.uk page open. On your computer or tablet, scroll down to the section that says you may need to use a second QR code link in the app. Now, on your phone, select Scan QR Code and point your camera at the QR code displayed on your computer or tablet screen. Now, if you originally started the process on your phone, simply continue in the browser where the gov.uk ID Check page is open. Scroll down to the link.gov.uk ID Check section and select the link.gov.uk ID Check button. Once you complete these steps, the app will be linked to your Gov.uk account. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.